Guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing great. So you've seen a lot of my skincare videos. I use a lot of natural products, but there's one hidden gem that I have never used. And a lot of skincare videos I've not seen this thing being used. That is wheat flour or gehu ka atta, which we eat like chapati, roti. And this is such an amazing ingredient. It has so many vitamins and minerals in it, and it's so good for your skin. So today we're going to make a face pack with wheat flour or gehu ka atta. So let's start. So for this we'll need wheat flour about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And we'll need warm milk about 2 tablespoons, and we'll need about 1 teaspoon honey. So I have my wheat flour here. I'm going to add hot milk. Make sure that your milk is hot. Okay, I'm not saying warm, it has to be hot. Just add it into this. So this is about 2 tablespoons of milk that I'm adding. That's it. It's a little messy. Excuse me. Now I'm going to add honey to this, about 1 teaspoon. That's enough. Now let's mix it all quickly. So this is the paste you'll get. This is what it looks like. It's slightly thick. This is how it's supposed to be. You can also add rose water if it's become too thick, okay? It's optional, up to you. If you guys want, you can add rose water also. So let it cool down a bit and then we'll apply it on our face. So now let's apply this on your face. It has to be cool, okay? Don't apply it when it's like really hot. So, gently all over your face. This is going to be a little messy, I am telling y'all. So guys, I've applied it all over my face. I'm going to let it stay for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we rinse it off. Okay, I'm not exaggerating, but look at that glow. Oh my god, I think it looks amazing. I mean, my skin feels really good, and I'm definitely like going to do this once a week at least. You all should do it too, and let me know in the comments below if you tried this face pack and if you liked it, and if you have any more questions you can ask me, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Garda Official, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.